Okay, so I waited about 4 hours and I left my starter out. You can see that it rose all the way to the top. So that's ready to go back in the refrigerator. It's nice and fluffy. And I actually forgot to record, but I did add another 400. I added 400 grams of ground up flour. So I used ground wheat. I use this wheat grinder, and you measure 400 grams. It's probably measure about 410 to 415 because some gets lost on the bowl and everything. So measure about 415 grams of wheat, and then you pour it right in here, grinds it, then you can pour it over into your bowl, which you should have had on your scale. It's zeroed out, add the 400 grams. And then you add 300 grams of your water and then mix. And that's what I just did. And so now this is ready. This has the original starter, and then I added the 130 and the 98, and then I let it sit, and then I just added 400 grams of ground up wheat, any kind. You can use hard white, hard red, you could use spelt. I've even used kamut. You can experiment with all different types of wheats that you like. And then the 300 grams of water, mix it well, take it off your scale, light cover, doesn't have to be sealed, and I'll let that sit for another few hours. The idea is that it's kind of supposed to double. So these containers are nice because I can see that probably when it gets close to the 2 quart point, it'll be about ready for the next add. But if it's not, if it hasn't risen to that point and it's been 3 or 4 hours, I go ahead and add again. So I'll try to remember to show the next adding, but I just wanted to get that out there. Okay.